You guys are always asking me, how do I fall asleep at 7:30 p.m. then to wake up at 3:15 a.m.? Something I have been using to help me fall asleep and stay asleep during the night is the Seed Sleep Plus Restore supplement. I am partnering with Seed to take you through my evening routine that helps me relax and wind down and also helps me fall asleep faster and wake up rested. First thing I do is I start by taking one of these Seed supplement capsules about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. I take this and then I go ahead and start my nighttime routine. So let's get into the nighttime routine. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a quick body shower. Showered, PJs are on. These are my favorite PJs. I've had them for years. Seed's supplement is designed to help you fall asleep faster, rest deeply, and actually wake up refreshed. Then I brush my teeth. Next, we wash my face. I've always been told to brush your teeth first, then wash your face. Seed's Sleep Plus Restore helps realign your natural sleep-wake cycle. It's a clinically informed dose of melatonin that mimics the amount that your body naturally produces. It slowly releases throughout the night to help you stay asleep all night long. I have noticed that before taking this supplement, I would wake up multiple times during the night. I am someone that gets super anxious about missing my alarm, but this supplement really does help me stay asleep all night long, and it allows me to wake up so refreshed when my alarm does go off in the morning. With a normal sleep aid, a lot of times I would wake up super hazy and just feel super groggy, but with Seed I do not have that feeling. Instead, I wake up ready to tackle the day. Teaching is so mentally draining, and some days it's physically draining. It is so important for me to be able to have an active recovery sleep. With Seed's Sleep Plus Restore, I am able to do that. Skincare is done, teeth are brushed. Now let's go into the next step. Okay, guys, the last step in my nighttime wind down routine is to read a book. This is the book I'm reading tonight. I like to try to put my phone away, plug it in, and make sure my alarm is turned on, and then I just like to read a book until I finally just feel calm, wind down, tired, and then I go to sleep. To me, falling asleep early and getting good rested sleep is so essential for me to be able to do all the things that I do all day, every day. Seed has completely changed my nighttime routine, and it allows me to get so much sleep and just feel so well rested. Waking up at 3:10 in the morning is not something that is easy to do, but it is a lot easier when you know that you've gotten some good quality sleep. You can use code Brandi20 at checkout for 20% off your first month of Seed's PM-02 Sleep Plus Restore. I will have the link down below in the description of this video, so I hope that you give it a try. Let me know how much you love it, and I hope that it increases your quality of sleep just as much as it increased mine. Thank you for spending the evening with me and winding down. I hope that you have a fabulous night. Good night.